Finding the perfect foldable drone isn't easy. Some drones have weak cameras, unstable flight control, short battery life, or poor GPS performance that ruins the flying experience. That's why modern 4K foldable drones are becoming so popular. They combine portable designs, smart flight features, and high-resolution aerial photography in one compact package. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best foldable 4K drones you can buy right now. We checked online features, specifications, and user feedback to create this list. Product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Lenovo V198MAX Foldable 4K Drone. The Lenovo V198MAX is a compact foldable drone designed for beginners and casual aerial photography users. It features a 4K HD camera with FPV real-time transmission for capturing smooth videos and sharp photos from the sky. Brushless motors improve flight stability while reducing noise and increasing durability. The built-in laser obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes during flight. Optical flow hovering keeps the drone steady for easier control indoors and outdoors. Its foldable body makes it travel-friendly and convenient to carry almost anywhere. Number 4. LYZRC L900 Pro SE GPS Drone. The LYZRC L900 Pro SE Pro is a professional-style foldable drone equipped with GPS positioning and a 4K aerial photography camera. It uses brushless motors for smoother flights, stronger wind resistance, and longer motor life. Dual-band 5G Wi-Fi enables stable FPV transmission with low latency during real-time viewing. GPS-assisted flight supports smart functions like automatic return, follow mode, and waypoint flying. The foldable design makes storage and travel simple. It's an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, cinematic shots, and beginner-friendly aerial filming. Number 3. S156 Mini Foldable 4K Drone. The S156 Mini Drone is a lightweight and portable foldable quadcopter built for fun flying and everyday photography. It comes with a 4K HD camera and FPV support for capturing clear aerial videos and photos. The included large-screen remote controller provides a more convenient live view experience while flying. Brushless motors offer quieter operation and improved flight efficiency. Optical flow hover technology helps maintain stable positioning for smoother control. Compact, travel-friendly, and beginner-friendly, this drone is great for vacations, outdoor trips, and casual drone users. Number 2. SX1 Max GPS Foldable Drone. The SX1 Max is a powerful foldable drone designed for users who want advanced flight performance and stabilized aerial recording. It features a professional 4K camera paired with a 3-axis gimbal that helps reduce shake and produce smoother cinematic footage. GPS functionality enables intelligent flight modes like auto return, route planning, and precise hovering. Brushless motors improve stability, speed, and durability during outdoor flights. The large-screen remote controller adds convenience for real-time monitoring. This drone is ideal for travel videos, landscape photography, and professional-style content creation. Number 1. Genuine GT8 Foldable 4K Drone. The Genuine GT8 drone is the most feature-packed and powerful model on this list. It includes dual 4K, 8K style cameras for capturing wide aerial shots and detailed footage from multiple angles. GPS positioning and optical flow hovering provide stable and accurate flight performance, even for beginners. Brushless motors deliver strong power, quieter operation, and better wind resistance. Smart FPV functions allow smooth real-time video transmission directly to your device. Its foldable design makes it highly portable for outdoor adventures, travel filming, and professional-looking aerial photography. If you want portable design, smooth aerial footage, and smart flying features, these foldable 4K drones are excellent choices. From beginner-friendly mini drones to advanced GPS models with gimbals, each option offers strong value and exciting features. Which drone is your favorite? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.